Welcome. If you use Gmail for calls and want to make sure you never miss an active call notification, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated and simple steps for enabling ongoing call notifications in Gmail, right from your Android phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is usually found as a gear icon, either in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen. Next, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This section gives you access to settings for all the apps installed on your device. Now look through the list to find Gmail. Once you spot it, tap on it to open Gmail's app-specific settings. Inside the Gmail settings screen, tap on Notifications. This is where you control which types of alerts you get from Gmail. Here, look for the option labeled Notification Categories. This is usually near the top of the notifications screen and lets you fine-tune individual types of notifications. Scroll down until you find the section called Other. Under this section, you'll see a switch for Ongoing Call. By default, this setting might be off, meaning you could miss notifications when you're on a call through Gmail. To enable, simply tap to toggle the Ongoing Call option on. That's it. You've successfully enabled ongoing call notifications for Gmail on your phone. With this setting on, you'll now get notified whenever you have an active call through Gmail, even if you move to another app or lock your screen. This ensures you never lose track of an important call again. Now you're all set to stay connected and updated, no matter how busy your day gets. If this tip helped you out, make sure to share it with anyone who relies on Gmail for voice and video calls. Thanks for tuning in.